Guys, usually you see in the columns there are alphabets A, B, C, D, E, and in the rows there are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if I want to bring the numbers here also, I don't want A, B, C, D. So, and here also I need the numbers. So what we will do, just we will click on File and we will click on Options, the last one. Once you click on Option, you will find this screen, and here you have to click on Formulas. In Formulas, you will see the first option here, it's Uncheck. Okay, you have to click on Check. You can see now still there is ABC. So once I will click on it and I will press OK, so you can see it has been changed into the numbers. Okay, so now both sides we have the numbers. Now if we have to make it again, the alphabets, again we will go to Options, we will go to Formulas, and we will uncheck again and press OK. So you can see now there are the alphabets again.